In a world filled with endless possibilities, it is easy to get lost. Introducing PathFinder, your ultimate companion on the journey to success. Life is full of choices, and making the right ones can be daunting. But with PathFinder, you'll never have to second guess again. Imagine a tool that allows you to visually see your options. Effortlessly weighing the pros and cons. PathFinder lets you put your arguments on the weighing scales, ensuring clarity and focus. Want to achieve desired goal? Achieve this by making the right choice weigh the most. So for example, maybe I want to start exercising, but I'm currently not doing it, as we can see in this case. I should then try to make the yes side weigh the most. I can do this by trying to find arguments that I agree with, basically maximizing the benefits and minimizing the drawbacks. PathFinder empowers you to solve problems, achieve goals, and communicate effectively. Whether it's personal growth, professional success, or nurturing relationships, PathFinder is the key to unlocking your true potential. Need a helping hand? PathFinder's AI template provides expert insights and guidance, ensuring you never have to face uncertainty alone. Let AI help you navigate your path to success. Visualize your path to success. Achieve desired goal, track your progress. Influence yourself or others, understand yourself and others' perspectives. Let AI help you. Are you ready to shape your future? Unlock your full potential with PathFinder today. PathFinder, your roadmap to success.